Hello and welcome to the Python programming language course. My name is Algorithmi and I will be your instructor throughout this course. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to this course. The course is designed for beginners and doesn't require any prior knowledge about Python or programming in general. At the end of this course though, you won't be a beginner anymore. We will start out with the syntax of Python and then we will learn some more advanced topics such as object-oriented programming, functional programming, I/O, and so forth. After having taught the topics relevant to each section, I will then present 3 different examples of problems that can be solved with your gained knowledge up to then. The first example is an easy one and is usually designed for everyone. The second example will be a little bit more advanced and will require some algorithmic thinking. The last example of each section will be a hard example, which will sometimes require you to have prior knowledge about some algorithms and data structures. These examples are mostly designed for people majoring in computer science or software engineering, or experienced software developers who want to learn Python. Try solving the problems yourself when they're presented to you and watch my solutions afterwards. Beside these 3 kinds of examples, I will also make videos that present a problem and provide a solution to them in 1 or more programming languages, including Python and other programming languages taught on this channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to the Algorithmi channel for them. Lastly, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer your questions. Alright, enough talking, let's get to work and learn Python.